how to set up Roblox Authenticator app on mobile. You want to load up the Roblox app, then click on the three lines in the top left corner and go into settings. Once you select settings, you need to click on security. And once you click on security, then here you should locate Authenticator app very secure. Select it, and then you will need to complete two-step verification. So for me, that's going to be with Face ID. So just like that, I am going to sign in, and it's going to give you a code here. So you can click on the code itself to copy it, and you can also view a QR code by clicking on that button underneath it. Now you will need to go and get an Authenticator app. So if you go into the App Store and just search for Authenticator, here you will see Microsoft Authenticator, and also you will see Google Authenticator. I recommend Microsoft Authenticator, and I'm going to show you what we have to do. Once you download the app, then you will open up Microsoft Authenticator. I'm going to sign into my account here, and you want to click on the plus sign in the top right. Then you will select Other. Then you want to click on Enter Code Manually, and the account name is going to be Roblox, and here you can just paste your code. You will click on Finish. Once you click on Finish, then if you open up Roblox again, it's going to give you a 6-digit code from the Authenticator app. You will put it right here. You will need to click on Verify, and that is how you set it up. I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.